So we have 4 digits. So this digit cannot be 0 or 6 or 7 definitely. It can be 2, 3 and 4. So case 1, it is a number of this form. So notice that if it starts with 2, the hundreds place cannot be 0 because no, it can be 0. So once we have a 2 here, we can arrange the remaining 5 digits. And the remaining, we are not asked, that repetition is not allowed. So we can arrange the remaining. We can arrange the 6 digits in these 3 places, which will give us 6 to the power of 3 ways. Out of these, we'll have to subtract the numbers which are less than 2022, which can be found by using these digits. So that is 0, 0, 2, 0, or rather 2, 0, 0, and here we can keep all the 6 digits. So these are 6. Then we have 2, 0. We can keep a 2 here, but then we'll be forced to keep a 0 here. Otherwise, any other digit here will make the number greater than or equal to 2022. So there's this one. So 6 cube minus 1 minus 7 are all the numbers of this form. Then case 2, say the number starts with 3. Then we have 6 into 6 into 6, which is 6 cube ways, because all of those numbers would be less than 4482. The last case, the number starts with the digit 4. Then if we keep a 0 here, all these cases are permissible. So we have 6 square plus 2 here will also suffice, which is again another 6 square, plus a 3 would also suffice here, which is another 6 square. So that is, this is when this is 4 0 something something, this is an 4 2. Now if the number starts with 4 4, then 0 2 3 4 and 6, and even 7. Yeah, there is 6 square cases here also, because the 10th digit is less than 8, so the number would be less than 4482. So this becomes 4 into 6 square. So these are all the cases. So the answer is 209 plus 216 plus 569. This is also a straightforward question from permutations and combinations. We just have to divide these into cases and then count all those. There's no trick involved.